What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to add music bot to your Discord server. So if you'd like to play music on Discord, here are the steps to follow. First, you'll need to go to a server that you own. So make sure you own this server, and once you click on it, you're going to locate the name right here. You want to click on the drop down, and then you're going to click on Add Directory. Now once you click in App Directory, you'll be here in Apps, and here at the top right area, you want to search for Greenbot. So you want to search for Greenbot like that, press Enter, and here you can see Greenbot. You want to select this one, and then you're going to click Add App. Now once you do this, of course, you're going to need to scroll down to select the server once again. So we're going to select the same server, and then we'll click Continue. You want to make sure that all these boxes are ticked as we have right here. Click on Authorize, and then we have Success. If it asks you to prove that you're human, just make sure you do that. And then, of course, once you get to this page, click on Go to XY Dog. As you can see, we have this already. We're just showing you so you can do it yourself. While you're here, you want to go over to the voice channels. Click on General right here. And then we're going to come over to the message bar, click on it, /play. And once you click on play, you can see some Greenbot options right here. You can see all of these are Greenbot. And then we're going to click play. And then we're going to write the name of the song. So let's try to play another song. Okay, so we have Smooth Criminal. Let's press enter. It's going to think for a bit. So we just pressed on the play and pause button right here in order to pause it, in order to tell you that you can go ahead and try this out yourself. So this is how to add music bot to your Discord server and play some music on Discord.